Hello friends, I am Ravi Yadav. Today I am going to make you understand which book you should prefer in your life. That books it can help you in your life, and it is a magic books. So be ready. I am going to share with you. Please subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe my channel. Like and comment if you any feel difficulty. Please write in comment. So first book my The Magic Finger. It is written by the Roald Dahl. It is so fantastic book. Please read this book. You will feel like that you are learning something. You will feel you are in heaven. So please this book. It's nice, fantastic, and it is not costly. It is cheap book. You can purchase this book by Amazon. Simple. Second book I want to share with you. Second book name is The Twist. It is written by Roald Dahl. It is also so nice book. Please read and purchase by Amazon, and it is second step, you can say it is nice book. And third book I'm going to share with you friends, the Fantastic Mr. Fox. Fantastic Mr. Fox, it is written also written by Roald Dahl, and please purchase this book. It is also nice book. You will purchase, you will improve your English. Don't save money, please purchase book. I want to share something with you. You will save money, you will not learn. You will invest your money in books, so you will learn English. You can get knowledge in your life. So please purchase. Third book, The Beauty Purpose in Life. The Beauty Purpose in Life, it is written by Sahala Parveen. It is so nice lady, and she struggled a lot. In starting she couldn't speak English, and after that she spoke English with confidently. And please read this book. You will visualize what can you achieve in your life, because she mentioned in this book. So please this book purchase. And I read this book, I learned lot of things. That's the reason I got confident. Today I'm speaking English in front of you. So I'm big example. 1 year before I couldn't speak English. Right now I'm speaking English with confidently. I'm making video for you. So why not you can learn English? Please prefer this book. And last book is Attitude is Everything. It is so nice book. Brother, sister, you can say all age of person, please read this book. Attitude is everything. You are working in office, so attitude is very important. You are in school, so very important. You are in college, so it is important. So please purchase this book. Attitude is everything. And when you will read this book, you will feel like that yes, something you are reading in your life, because you will get knowledge, you will get confident, you will visualize more, and you will feel that yes, whatever you are thinking, you got success in your life. So I want to share that. Please subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe. Like, if you want more videos, so write in comment box so that I can make more videos. Jai Hind.